Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the essentials are ready. Recyclerview dependency added, layouts created, and a data model defined. Create the item XML with root constraint layout or linear layout, then drop a Recyclerview into your activity layout and give it an ID. Once done, build a sample list of model objects in your activity or a repository class so you have concrete data to display. Make sure to sync Gradle and confirm no errors before moving to adapters and view holders. Now implement the core. Write an adapter subclass and a view holder to cache views. In onCreate view holder, inflate the item layout and return a new view holder. In onBind view holder, bind model fields to view widgets, text, images, visibility. You should override getItemCount to return your list size and add methods to update data, like setItems or addItem, then call notifyData setChanged or finer-grained notify calls. Also wire optional click listeners inside view holder so you can handle taps cleanly. Attach everything in your activity or fragment call Recyclerview. Set Layout Manager, new Linear Layout Manager, this, or choose Grid Layout Manager, then Recyclerview. Set Adapter your adapter. Once done, optimize by calling set has fixed size, true, when item size is constant, and consider diffutil for efficient updates. Make sure to load images asynchronously and reuse view holders. If the list shows empty, check that your adapter receives the dataset and that notify methods run on the main thread. Also verify Recyclerview ID and layout params in XML.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.